Guess what's in this case? Welcome to Bizarre Guitar, Reno, Nevada. It can be only a custom shop Flying V. And this is in Silver Sparkle Burst. Try to say that 3 times fast. This weighs 7.3 pounds, so it's lightweight. How cool is this? Frank Hanna bought one of these from me and loves it, and it's just a great guitar. We had a couple on order. This is the second one that came in. Our 490, 498 pickups, Grover tuners. The whole thing is Sparkle Burst. And this is a custom shop. This is regular gloss custom shop. No VOS or no Murphy age. Ebony fingerboard, medium jumbo frets. Beautiful guitar. Unbelievable. Flying V, Silver Sparkle Burst can be yours. Thank you.